Hello, we're back again for another walkthrough, this time for the list of state E-Dockets that are available for electric companies to look up information at the state commissions. As I told you in another video, the E-Dockets are basically a repository for all of the cases and decisions issued by the state commissions, as well as a lot of the filings in a particular docket. It's a number ascribed to a particular request or petition or enforcement proceeding, and all the parties' filings are listed there, and you can look at them and you can open them up. And sometimes if it's a compliance filing and someone's filing a particular plan, you can go and look at other companies' proposed filings and see if it's something close to what you want to have. And rather than start from scratch, you can look at theirs and modify it to make it fit your own particular matters. So this table is very simple. It simply has the state as the initial field, the website for each state where you can go and find the e-docket and get access to it. I think in most of all these cases, you don't need a username and password. That usually only comes up in situations where it's an e-docket where you're doing filings. You're actually a lawyer and you're doing the filings. In that case, you do have to have a username and password. But if you're just looking to retrieve information, that actually doesn't require a username and ID. And then I've identified whether the search function within that e-docket is, has full term searching functionality, or whether it's much more limited. And then I have notes here in terms of the kind of search capabilities. If they're limited, what kind of search capability can you have? And likewise with respect to full. So this I find is a helpful reference. Quickly get to sources of information you may need, and I hope you find it helpful, and let me know if I can add to it and make it even more valuable to you, or have something else in mind that you'd like me to create for you. I'm more than happy to do it. Want to make life easier for everyone in this business, and I think one of these consolidated websites help to do that. Thank you for listening.